been talking about having a different kind of January, one focused on resets instead of resolutions. Today, I want to talk about what that can actually look like. When I say reset, I don't mean reinventing yourself or your life. This version of January is about recovery and readiness. It's about leaving the intensity of the holidays behind and returning to a steadier, more familiar rhythm. It's about your system settling. Reset can be subtle. You might notice less internal pressure, fewer internal arguments, or a little more capacity for ordinary tasks. If things feel slow, that doesn't mean nothing's happening. Recovery often happens quietly, under the surface. You don't have to feel energized or motivated for a reset to be happening. If it helps to have some examples, here are a few optional ways people can support that process. These aren't instructions, just examples. First, predictability. Familiar routines and fewer surprises, when possible, can make it easier for your nervous system to regulate and settle. Simplicity. Letting go of productivity expectations in January, where you can, often reduces pressure across the system. Simplicity can also mean keeping tasks simple when possible. Some tasks can't be changed, but if you have flexibility, breaking larger or more complicated tasks into smaller pieces can help. And recovery activities. These are activities that help you feel settled or refreshed. For some people, it's listening to music. For others, it might be cooking something enjoyable, taking a bubble bath, or working on a Lego model. The important part is that these activities are not about productivity. They're about restoration. You don't need to do all of these. You don't need to do any of them. If something starts to feel stressful or demanding, that's a sign to pause or let it go. As long as your activity steadies you or refreshes you, you're doing a reset correctly.